Introducing the new Honda eNy1, the perfect car for city driving. With its compact size and agile handling, the eNy1 is designed to navigate even the busiest streets with ease. The car's interior is both stylish and functional, with a minimalist design that puts the focus on the driving experience. The car's advanced technology, such as the touchscreen infotainment system and voice-activated controls, make it easy to stay connected and entertained on the go. The eNy1 is also packed with features to make your driving experience as comfortable and convenient as possible. The car's heated seats and climate control system ensure that you're always comfortable, while the car's parking sensors and rearview camera make parking a breeze. But what really sets the eNy1 apart is its eco-friendly features. The car is powered by an electric motor, which means zero emissions and a quieter ride. The car's battery can be charged in just a few hours, and it has a range of up to 150 miles on a single charge. So, if you're looking for a car that's perfect for city driving, look no further than the new Honda eNy1. Book a test drive today and experience the future of urban mobility. Please share your thoughts in the comments box below. For more wonderful updates on your favorite cars, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel before you leave. I appreciate your interest and hope to see you on the next video.